I sipped on some Dome P yesterday. I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Tendwell Properties and top 1% agent in the county. I'm giving you my weekly update in real estate. So yesterday we handed the keys to a family that just got a brand new house, amazing time, and we sipped some Dom P. It's not too often that we do that. The other highlight of the week, well, I had many. I met with some mentors that taught me about life and business, and no matter where we're at in life, we could always get better by learning from those who have been there or are there. We had a first-time buyer workshop this week. It was cool, over 20 people. We had some positive feedback the next day, people saying that they learned a lot, and that makes me happy for sure. That's why we do them. I decided to live in a new place with some views because I woke up Sunday morning and I was just like, man, I need some views. I need some more sunlight. I work really hard, so I'm gonna treat myself this year. So that's the goal this year, is find a place with some views. So in case you know anybody, holler at your boy. It could be a condo, it could be a house. I've been hearing a lot lately that I really enjoy my job over the last several months. And I like hearing that kind of stuff just because I do enjoy it. But when other people notice it, now that even makes me more, like, I guess, aware of my job and how much I do enjoy it. So I think the biggest highlight of the week was this. I got this from the Logan Heights CDC. We donated some money to them to help the kids. What they do is they help members in the community with business, with filling out applications, just stuff like that. And they also provide child education. So they hooked me up with that. That was amazing. This weekend, I will be doing yoga. I haven't done yoga in about a year since the pandemic started. So I'm really excited about that. Have a great weekend. Peace.